This is preheater for HIPR. The preheaters are burning on propane and running on the speed of 1 meter per minute. We sometimes increase the speed at 1.5 or 2. This is the back side of preheater. This preheater gives a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius, and on the ground we get around 200 degrees Celsius on the surface of the road. This is the second set of preheater. This is the operating area for the preheater. This is the propane tank with capacity of 3 metric tons. Here is the hopper of